Audi recently revealed the 2025 Audi RS Q8, a mid-cycle refresh of its flagship performance SUV that emphasizes enhanced power and subtle refinements. This updated model, now exclusively offered as the RS Q8 Performance in the US, builds on the platform shared with the Lamborghini Urus, delivering a blend of supercar acceleration and SUV utility. For buyers seeking a high-end crossover that handles family duties alongside track day aspirations, the RS Q8 provides a balanced option in a crowded luxury segment. Below is an overview of its key attributes. At its core is a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, producing 631 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 627 pound-feet of torque from 2,300 to 4,500 RPM. A 40 HP and 37 pound-feet of increase over the prior model, thanks to higher boost and a revised exhaust. An 8-speed Tiptronic automatic and quattro all-wheel drive with a mechanical center differential propel it to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds with a top speed of 190 miles per hour. Fuel economy stands at 13 miles per gallon city, 19 miles per gallon highway, and 15 miles per gallon combined, reflecting its performance focus. The adaptive air suspension, now with electromechanical active roll stabilization, adjusts ride height and damping for varied conditions, prioritizing controlling corners while maintaining comfort on highways. Drive modes include Comfort, Auto, Dynamic, and an optional RS mode with launch control. Braking from 70 miles per hour requires 142 feet, improved from the predecessor. On winding roads, it feels precise for its 5,467 pound curb weight, though its size limits ultimate agility compared to smaller rivals. It's a capable all-rounder, setting a Nürburgring lap record of 736.7 for SUVs. The 2025 RS Q8 features a refreshed exterior that aligns it with the broader Q8 lineup's recent updates. The front fascia includes a wider single-frame grille with a honeycomb pattern, larger air intakes, and HD matrix LED headlights with laser technology for improved nighttime visibility. The bodywork is subtly flared, with widened arches adding 10 mm at the front and 5 mm at the rear compared to the standard Q8, accommodating 23-inch wheels as standard. Side skirts are more pronounced, and the rear boasts a prominent diffuser with dual oval exhaust tips. Digital OLED taillights provide a moderate signature, while new wheel designs and color options maintain a sophisticated profile. Measuring 197.3 inches long, 78.7 inches wide, and 67.1 inches tall, it projects presence without overwhelming proportions. It's a design that appeals to those who prefer understated aggression over outright flamboyance.
The RS Q8's cabin seats 5 in a layout borrowed from the Q8 with RS-specific enhancements for a sportier feel. Front seats are aggressively bolstered, heated, and ventilated, wrapped in Volcona leather with diamond quilting and RS embroidery. Rear passengers enjoy 40.2 inches of legroom, ample for adults on longer trips. Materials include real wood accents, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim, though some glossy black surfaces can attract fingerprints. Cargo space totals 30.5 cubic feet behind the second row and 60.7 cubic feet with seats folded, fitting 8 carry-on suitcases behind the rear seats in testing. The 2025 RS Q8 Performance starts at $136,200, rising with options like the $6,000 RS Sport exhaust or $2,500 dynamic packages. This slots it below the Lamborghini Urus but above the Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. Standard safety includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. Rear seats offer 2 full latch sets for child seats. Audi provides a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty without complimentary maintenance.